Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the image quality in the Solidworks. Here I have created the 3D object to demonstrate the image quality and the options related with it. Now, if you zoom it, this drawing or the image this drawing is in the low quality mode. That means that though is a circle, but it looks like a polygon here. You can see the edges and the lines are not continuous. Now you can always change the settings from option and from the two tabs. If turns and the document properties, go to document properties and you will find the image quality here. Now in two options, shaded and draft quality resolution and wireframe and high quality resolutions, the value are both in the lower side. That means you can change the the deviations are changing here. If you uh, increase it to the right side, the resolution will be higher. And in the same case in the wireframe, you can change it to the higher value. But there are the red zones here. If you cross the red zone, the message will pop up. It says that the sliding into the red zone will cause the file size to increase. That means that it uses the graphics performance in a higher level and the performance of your PC will be slower and the file size of your output will be also higher. So to keep it in the balance, you just keep near to these red zones, and if you cross this road zone, you will see that the option edge length higher quality but slower will automatically checked. So keep it near to the red zone, and you can always tick or check this option also in this little bit slower quality, a little bit lower quality. And if you click OK, the edges are now continuous. They look like in a higher quality. In this way, you can change the quality of your drawing or the image or the output in the SolidWorks. Thank you for your time. Please share if you like it.